Good morning everyone. Welcome to CBSE Class 10 IT classes. In this video, I'll be explaining about Unit 4 Web Application Session 2. Internet Service Provider. What is Internet Service Provider? It's an organization which provides you the access to the Internet. We have different types of organization that provides the Internet access like BSNL, Airtel, MTS, Vodafone, Docomo. So these are some examples of ISP, Internet Service Providers. Next we are coming to modem. What is modem? A modem is a device that converts digital computer signals into analog signals and back to analog to digital signals. So when we are connecting your phone to the computer, we are getting the analog signal, but the computer can understand only digital signal 0 and 1 form. So how the computer can understand the analog signals? So we need a converter from analog signal to digital as well as digital signals back to the analog signal. So that converter device is known as modem. Modem, the full form of modem is modulator, demodulator. Next is what are the types of common internet connectivity? There are basically two categories are the wired connectivity and wireless connectivity. This table shows the summary of the different wired and wireless connectivity. You can see dial-up, DSL and cable internet access are the basic type of wired connectivity. Then 3G, WiMAX, Wi-Fi are wireless connectivity. So first we can discuss about what is dial-up connectivity. Dial-up internet access, it's a form of internet access that is basically using the PSTN. What is PSTN? Public Switch Telephone Network. It is directly connecting with the telephone network to provide or make the establishment of the internet connection. So that is dial-up connection. Then next we have DSL. DSL means digital subscriber line. Digital subscriber line. It is also providing the internet access by transmitting the data over wires of a local telephone network. It's another type of internet access providing just using the telephone network itself. Then next we have cable internet access. Maybe you have heard about this cable internet access. Cable internet access is a type of broadband internet access that uses the cable television infrastructure. For dial-up and DSL we are using the telephone lines. Cable internet access we are using the cable television infrastructure for the internet access. Next we have wireless technologies, wireless internet connectivity. So first 3G. 3G it's a short form of third generation. Now we are using 4G also. New kind of things are coming every day. How we are connecting to the 3G service. How we are connecting to the 3G service. So if your mobile phone is supporting 3G or 4G, through the ISP like internet service provider, you will get the internet connection and you can use that 3G or 4G service, wireless service. Next is WiMAX. WiMAX is, this full form is very important for CBSE exam. WiMAX is Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. It's a wireless communication standard. It is actually using the mobile broadband connectivity across the cities and countries. And we can use variety of devices using the WiMAX. And WiMAX have a long range system like kilometers we can use the coverage is kilometers of kilometers. And next is Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Full form of Wi-Fi is also important. Wireless fidelity. It is a popular kind of technology everyone is using. So I don't want to explain more about that. So we have three types of wired connectivity and three types of wireless connectivity. What is the difference between WiMAX and Wi-Fi? WiMAX have a coverage of WiMAX is kilometers, kind of countries, a particular city. If you are just taking a particular city, if you are providing a WiMAX connectivity we can use for the entire city, but Wi-Fi have a short range of connection area, like kind of we can use it for a particular area. Next we are coming to how we can transfer the data on the internet, how the data transferring is happening. When we are thinking about the data transferring over internet, how it is happening, like think about that you are sending a mail from your Delhi or any place and sending to another country. Within seconds the other person getting the email. So how it is happening, how this data transferring is happening? So we can study about how the data transferring happening on the internet. So first thing, the entire content, the entire data is dividing into some pieces of packets, some pieces of data packets, and each packet have the destination ID where to send this packet. So the entire data, the entire information is divided into different packets, and these packets are sending through different routes. It can take, it is not necessary to go through the same path only, it can go through different route and it will reach at the destination. At the destination place, the packets are examined. If any of the packets are missing or damaged, any kind of loss is happened, the destination will send an acknowledgement back to the center. That means the center will have to send the missing data or damaged data again back to the destination. And at the destination place, all the packets are reassembled into its original form. So within seconds all this process happening. So what is happening? Every information, the entire information is divided into some packets. Each packet have the destination address. So it will be sent through different routes or different path, and it will reach into the destination place. If any packet is missing or damaged, it will send an acknowledgement back to the center. So the center can resend the data. So at final stage, at the destination place, all the packets are reassembled into its original form. So this is how data packet sending happening in the internet. Okay, so this session 2 is complete. By this point we can meet the next video.